In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily set profile picture on Facebook page. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app. Then go to menu, and on that step, first off, you need to switch your main profile to Facebook page. To do that, hit at that arrow down icon. As you can see, now I'm on my Facebook profile and I have 4 different pages here. I can switch to any of them. And once you did that, just hit add profile picture of the page, and on that step you will be able to set profile picture for the page. To do that, just hit add that camera icon, and that will give you options like see profile picture, select profile picture, add frame, or create avatar profile picture. I'm just gonna hit add select profile picture, and from here I can use any photo from camera roll or from suggested photos, profile frames, upload, profile pictures, and cover photos. I'm just gonna hit add more next to camera roll to expand it, and then I can just scroll down, and once I find a picture that I want to use as a profile picture, I can just tap on it, then I can hit on edit, and there I can crop it just like that. I can rotate it. I can add there some stickers, text, or draw. Then hit add next. Also, there we can add frames or make this profile picture temporary. Once we've done with that, we can just hit add save. And that's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.